Food looks beautiful. Ready to go. And now it's the time we've all been waiting for. Takuy and I will be attempting to make dolma here in the Chamich guest house. Wish me luck. I'm gonna put on my hairnet and my apron and we will begin. Yes, well it is technically. We're ready to go. Everything's set. We set the table. And let's see how this goes. Wish us luck. So she's the artist I was telling you guys about from Tumanian who painted the walls.
Нужно обязательно обратно сторону. Вот так вот. И ставим туда маленькую порцию мяса.
Taku is showing us like, oh, are we not supposed to cut these parts? She's like Amy from Mikit.
Получается, Саш?
Да. Мы в детстве так пельмени делали. Самое сложное было заверточку делать.
Я, например, не знаю, как делать пельмени.
Примерно так же, только с тестом, не с листиком.
Top միրանն է։ Մենակ իրան հետ է։ Ռուզանի ոչ անհետը։
Տեսակ ստացվեց։
Мы всегда делали.
Mini dolma by Takuhi. I came back real quick to tell you guys how to cook the dolma. So she's giving us all the little behind the scenes secrets of adding tomato sauce, and you can add like butter at the end. So I will watch them and tell you if I learn anything more. After making the dolma, now it's time for dessert, which is gata, traditional Armenian dessert that we will learn how to make. And I see a lot of ingredients, so I'm curious to see how all of this takes place and kind of nervous.
I hope I get an apron as well.
Before he gets an apron and blocks his t-shirt, we have Tom joining us from the Trans-Caucasian Trail. They were hiking in the area. Remember how I told you guys it's a great place to stay for hiking? And they're gonna rest here, so we'll see Tom's skills in making gata. Okay.
Բացվի գաթա։ Սա կարող եք ձեր տալ, սա էլ կլինի վարդ գաթա։ Ես մեկը պատրաստ է արդեն։
Shalom. So the oven is preheated and now we're gonna put it in the oven. So let's go in the oven. And I'll show you guys the end result.
Scratching my feet and stuff. When you tell me, let me do my hair. I would have shaved if I did.
I'm getting the, yes.
You're a camera. Oh, yes, live.
And a little beer break with the hikers who arrived here right now from Debed and Debet after cooking a lot. So, Ganats, cheers. Cheers to you guys, Ganats. Ooh, looks beautiful.
I'd love to try one.
Give us your reactions. Yeah, you took the cutest one. Taste it, give us reactions.
When it's fresh out of the oven, that is very nice.
I don't think I've ever had fresh.
I'm very impressed with this.
You're impressed with us?
Yeah, I think we did really well.
Unboxing video. They really liked it. Oh wow. I've never had a fresh one.
Yes.
Oh,
Well,
so good.
usually it's the best when it's still with baked. But you can keep gata forever.
The dolma's here. This is how excited Taku he is to try.
So excited.
So excited. Do you want to try and tell people?
Okay, I'm gonna try the cabbage one.
Yeah, so you like the cabbage one?
Yes. I think it's hot.
I mean, I hope it's hot.
I'll cut it later because it's taking too long.
I wonder if this is the one that you...
Oh, definitely. Oh, it smells good. Very hot,
That's why I made you eat it.
but also very good.
Bravo.
Yeah.
Good for us. This is arishta. It's like the Armenian version of spaghetti. And we have some grilled veggies. I don't know if you guys can see over there. It probably is not clear in the video, but it's dark because they made the lights in a way where all the flies go to that light, so it's away from us while we're eating. And then after dinner, I will show you the lights downstairs. Okay. I will start eating as well, I think. It's still hot? Okay. Okay. I'll see you guys. As promised, you guys can see how beautiful the lights are. We're gonna go hang out on that swing a little bit and maybe have some wine or drinks, and then it's gonna be kisher party. I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Bye. We woke up. I mean, that was such a random fact. We woke up.
I'm not dead.
We woke up. Look, we have fried egg, individually fried in a little pan. Super cute. And they have homemade homemade plum jam, which actually pairs perfectly with the cheese because it's a bit like soury on the taste. And then they sell them here with the jars, so all here made in this guest house, Chamich. And also we got some more of the gatas that we made yesterday, with some Chamich next to it. So we're gonna go enjoy this breakfast. Khachigyukh. I don't know why I just kissed you guys, but it happened. So then we're going to do something fun. So stay here. Okay, we'll see you guys.
See ya.
What are we doing?
We are waiting for the horses.
Horseback riding. We're in Artview, so we actually went to Odzun and met up with Saro from Lori Canyon Trail Rides. I'll include all the information in the description so you guys can contact them. They have different rides for like beginners. You can go from 2 hours to 2 days actually of exploring Debed Canyon through horseback riding. So there he is bringing the horses. I think Takui will be doing the riding. I'll be doing the filming because I'm scared of heights and horses can be tall. So yeah, that's what's happening. Let's see how this goes. Would you, Annie?
Yeah, it's a bit
She's already getting acquainted with her new friend
from afar.
from afar. He's fueling up and eating.
Yeah.
You got this. She's on the horse. Chalu. The Avrik Chalu. How does it feel?
Amazing. I love horses. Are you sure you don't want to ride?
No.
Should we go over there or no?
Yeah, if we're allowed to. I'm gonna try.
Lava?
Okay, I come.
Տարբերություն չկա։ Հա, վատ որ բանանես ինքը գլուխդ բարձրացնի։ Ասի ես բանից։ Որ քաշես ինքը կկանգնի։ Քաշի կանգնի, ահա։ Մի վերքե։ Քաշի։
2 hours later.
Սպաս։ Չալո ինչ էր անում։ Էլ չի անում։ Լավ նկար։
Mi vodka tani meç. Tani. Mi vodka teti çaşum. Teti mogmo. Ekat meçi tanere. De hani ara tani vodka. Yo. Şey mi vodka veya hem bu. Mi vodka veya hem. Ara. Bu ara gvaster.
Okay, hosam կհավանես։
Այո,
Ստակես բան բարձվի դեմքս նկարել։ Դուք կարող եք բանեիք
Ես
միակ
էլ
շեյք։
եմ։
And that is how the professionals do it. While also being on the phone. It is so cool because even you're like you guys saw I was scared, and even if you're scared and you don't have any experience, he'll be there with you and he'll adjust it to make sure that you're comfortable and not scared. So I'm really glad I tried this. And that's how you properly get off the horse.